Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2005 Bobcat MT52 mini rubber track skid steer loader. This unit I've had around here for a little while. We used it to hook up some different attachments and some things. We've just now got time to get it through the shop. You'll see we did a video of a broom and a snowblower with it. We put it through the shop. We've done a complete service. The tracks were getting down. I called Summit Supply and I bought their heavy duty series track for this and put on. We have been through on these. There is a set of bushings that go in your front and rear idlers. We did put all new bushings and pins in from Bobcat. The rollers themselves are actually in excellent condition yet, and everything there takes grease the way it's supposed to. We've done a full service. Through a good little running machine for 208 hours. We started here underneath the engine compartment. I'm going to take you around and run it and show you that everything it's supposed to do. So the unit's powered by a Kubota D722 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There's no normal noise, smoke, blow by, anything like that. Fuel's here, radiator's here. We'll crank it here real quick so you can see that. And again, we've done a full service. It's ready to go to work. Charges, all the gauges work. Fan here, cooling fan works the way it's supposed to. It's not busted or welded here in the boom like you'll see some of them. Auxiliary hydraulics, again, for running attachments. Standard MT plate, so that'll work off of an MT50, MT52, 55, MT85, 463, and S70. There's no oil leaks on this machine in any way. The control group is very responsive. It does not creep. Handles like a dream. Right here, the hood, very typical. You'll see these get roughed up there. There is a crack right there. It doesn't hurt anything. Point it out. Some of the white paint's been touched up, but there's no welds or breaks or anything like that. Bucket, it's a factory Bobcat 36-inch bucket. It's in very nice shape. All this white paint on the back is original. We did paint the back push guard here, and I ordered a new factory Bobcat decal for it, and it's waiting on it to come in. Hydraulic level is full. We put a brand new Napa battery in it. There's no oil leaks down in the belly pan like you'll see a lot of guys. There'll be oil leaks and they'll just let them like that. It is sulky ready. Boom locking pin is here. Whenever you put your boom up, this goes in here to lock your boom for service work. Again, boom is good and straight. Again, we've done air, fuel, engine oil, hydraulic. I guess that's it for service work. Made sure everything was good to go. So here on your controls, the MT is very, very simple. You have a throttle, you have auxiliary hydraulics with detent both ways in and out. You've got your joystick loader control with float detent there. You've got forward, reverse, left, right, parking brake. Very nice little setup. And then you'll have your gauges here, temp, fuel, and amp for your alternator, show that you're charging. So again, 1,408 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and crank the machine up, run it around, and show you what it's supposed to do. why we take this time to do the video. I show you this machine starts, runs, works, does everything you ask it to do. Not a brand new mini skid steer, but I'm not asking $25,000 for it either. So replacement cost of something like this, you'd be well around that today. Again, this is a nice size little machine. If you're just the average little guy starting out, this thing will last a guy a long time if you take care of it and maintenance it. We've done a full service, went all over it. Changed fuel, engine oil, air filters, hydraulic. We've done full service, brand new tracks. We've been through the rollers and undercarriage, so we know that everything's good. It does have a factory Bobcat bucket with it. So if you have any question, you want to come see us yourself in person, run it, play with it. We're going to hide a thing here. I'm very upfront, very open about what we do. I want everybody to understand we're not out to fool anybody. We want to be an honest seller, and we're looking for honest buyers. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. I'm Nick Miller. I'll be glad to help you. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. Check us out on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company as always. Have a great day.